Hey everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, just got back from vacation. Really glad to see everyone having a really good time in the chat. We're now at 1,200, almost 50 subscribers, and the Discord community is now at over 500. So we're gonna apply for the partnership with Discord. So hopefully we can have an even bigger community soon. We're growing really, really quickly. And yeah, let's just dive right into the analysis because I've been away for quite a while and a lot of stuff has happened. And yep, we can see that Bitcoin took another dump now, really fighting to the downside. We can see the bears are really strong, but we can see that in our big trades chat in the Discord, you can see that there's a lot of buying power coming in from the bulls. That big orders are starting to get filled that were placed at these areas of support. A really big one would be the $28,800 level, the previous low that we touched all the way down here. We haven't reached that yet, but another reason why Bitcoin could be dumping is that the SP 500 is finally taking its dump and it's finally breaking this pattern. My shorts are now at break even. Actually, almost a little bit in profit now. It takes long for it to climb, but only a few days for it to dump. And honestly, I don't know if this dump is going to be over. A lot of COVID-19 fears for the new variant is coming in. We could see that this is on ONDA, but when we go to the actual index, we can see that for some reason there's this scam wick right here trying to stop everyone out of their trades, which is kind of shitty when you think this big index like this is trying to stop everyone out, especially from market open. Your short orders were filled only like 0.5% up, so everyone that's over leveraged probably got stopped out on this trade. On my exchange it didn't happen, but hopefully everyone else that if you're in a short position, you had maybe a wider stop loss or lower leverage. But yeah, that's basically another reason why Bitcoin could be dumping at the moment. We're finally starting to slow down and touch this area of resistance that turned into support. Well, I mean, it's turning into support now. Let's see if it holds. There was not much trading that happened at this level. We are so overbought right now on the larger time frames. You can see that the SP 500 is at an all-time high, or we were at an all-time high at 4,300, a little bit over, and that's also another reason why Bitcoin could be dumping. If I see that the stock market, the SP 500, other the Dow Jones, it starts to break down to lower levels, and we start to reach these areas of support, that's when I'll maybe start buying Bitcoin back. But right now, it's a sea of red. Potentially, we could get a reversal back to the upside to retest it and then break down. But that would be, I would enter another leverage short position. I closed my leverage short position around these levels right here to 42.40, I believe, something like that. I closed it in profit. Really glad I took that short. If you guys actually want me to start posting my shorts and my longs, just basically my trades for the indexes, I could definitely create another channel for that. But right now we're gonna finish our Bitcoin challenge. I haven't been trading Bitcoin at all lately, just because it's just trading sideways and not really doing anything, and it's pretty hard to trade Bitcoin when it's not doing anything. It's basically just scam wicks up and down, so it just stops everyone out. No one really makes a long-term trade. So I mean, you could scalp it, but it's definitely hard. Even for me, right now, I'm looking at it just by looking at the chart. Let's go look at the other TA. I like to combine traditional TA with market cipher. It's possible that if we do break down from these levels, we could reach the price levels of 20,000, 22,000, 24,000. Who really knows when it's going to happen? Like what's going to happen when we do break these levels? There are like previous areas of support, but the thing is that there's barely anything traded here, so no one really knows when they're going to put their buy orders. And especially with the stock market acting up like this, I do not see anything good coming in the near future. We can see that oil is down over 7% today. Dropped $5 a barrel. Gold's down $3, silver's down 50 cents. Crazy things are happening in the market. Lots of volatility coming. Just beware and be careful. Right now, we see a lot of downwards pressure, but we'll just keep you guys up to date. I don't see much good things happening right now. I'm just coming back from vacation, and the stock market decides to dump. But you know, there's an inside joke going around in the Discord that every time I leave on vacation, the Bitcoin price tends to tank, and that's kind of true because when I went on vacation, we were sitting at 33,000, and from there we took a dump to 30,700. But yeah, honestly, not looking too good right now. Just to be straightforward, or it's not looking too good. Especially with the markets like that. We can see on the daily time frames too, the SP 500 got a red X. So if we close with this red X and we start to go back up, I think I might enter another short. But you know, we've had red X's before, and they don't really amount to much. You know, they're just small little dips, and they could technically keep going, but this one is quite large. It's quite a big dub today. You know, 2% may not seem like much, but for over leveraged hedge funds and banks, it's quite a bit. Especially when you're trading with millions and billions. And yep. Anyways, I'm just gonna make another video later. This is just, you know, I just got home, made a quick video, wanted to give you guys some updates. Also, we have a big event coming on July 25th, so make sure you have that booked off. And if you want to maybe win some money, definitely join in on our live stream on that day. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. It's good to be back. Peace.